Thank you. A judge has put a gag order in place for the case against Ivan and Alysia Adams, the caregivers of 4-year-old Athena Brownfield, who investigators say was killed in Caddo County.
News on 6's Tess Monty joins us now with the latest on the case. Tess.
Alysia and Dave, the goal of the gag order is to keep a jury unbiased and ensure a fair trial. It blocks law enforcement officials and lawyers from talking about the case publicly. Ivan Adams is charged with first-degree murder, while his wife Alysia faces two charges of child neglect. Agents say she told investigators her estranged husband beat the little girl to death on Christmas Day and buried her body in Rush Springs. Last week, OSBI found a child's body in that area, but the medical examiner still working to positively identify. Meanwhile, the Oklahoma Institute of Child Advocacy is trying to draw attention to the growing number of child abuse cases in Oklahoma.
In 2020, there were 42 child deaths related to abuse or neglect in the state that were investigated. In that year, there were more than 14,000 reports that were substantiated of individual child abuse and neglect cases.
An attorney with experience in child neglect cases says some people place children with other individuals without going through legal steps, meaning there's no court oversight and no one knows where the child is. While DHS would not confirm if Alysia and Ivan Adams had legal guardianship over Athena and her sister, relatives tell News on 6 Athena's mother had informally given her daughters to her cousin, Alysia. Oklahoma DHS has a hotline where anyone can report child abuse. That number, 1-800-522-3511. Tess Monty, Oklahoma Zone, News on 6.